In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Elevenlabs in Lovable. We'll walk through the process from the Lovable dashboard all the way to creating the connection. And I'll keep it simple so you can follow along without confusion. This is a useful setup if you want Lovable to work with Elevenlabs for voice-related features. And the connection process only takes a few moments once you know where everything is. To begin, go to Lovable and make sure you're on the main dashboard or homepage. Once the page has loaded, take a moment to get oriented. You don't need to click around yet. Just stay on the home page and look over to the left-hand side of the screen because that's where the navigation menu is located. In that left side menu, find the option labeled Connectors and click on it. This area is where Lovable lets you link external tools and services to your workspace. After opening Connectors, look for Elevenlabs in the list of available connector options and select it. Once you're inside the Elevenlabs connector page, click on Add Connection. This opens the setup form for creating a new connection between Lovable and your Elevenlabs account. On the form, you'll first want to check the display name. This is usually the label Lovable will use to identify the connection inside your workspace. In many cases, the default name is fine, but it's still a good idea to quickly review it so you can recognize the connection later, especially if you plan to add more than one integration. Next, enter your Elevenlabs API key in the appropriate field. Make sure you paste it carefully and avoid adding extra spaces before or after the key. Since this is sensitive information, be sure to keep it private and only enter it in the secure field provided by the platform. After that, click Connect. At this point, Lovable will start verifying the connection details and linking your Elevenlabs account. If everything was entered correctly, you should move forward without any issues. Finally, follow the next prompt that appears on screen. Depending on your workspace setup, Lovable may ask you to confirm permissions, review settings, or complete one last step before the connection is fully active. Just read the prompt carefully and proceed as instructed. And that's it. Once you complete the prompt, your Elevenlabs connection in Lovable should be ready to use. If something doesn't work right away, double check that the correct connector was selected and that your API key was pasted accurately.